Hey guys, welcome to JG Chemistry. Guys, CSIR-CDRI has announced job opening for M.Sc Chemistry students and for Ph.D. Chemistry students. So if you are interested in the job, you can type CSIR-CDRI on the Google page. You will get the first link of CSIR-CDRI homepage. If we click on it, you can find this CSIR Central Drug Research Institute web page. Scroll it down. You can find the advertisement number 02-2022 for online engagement of project staff under different projects. So if you click it on this, a PDF opens where the advertisement number is given, and you can see here that the advertisement for the job opening, the last date for the submission for online application is 18th of April 2022 up to 5:30 p.m. So if you are interested, you have to fill and send this application form, online application form, before 5:30 p.m. on 18th of April. Now you can see here the positions and the code number is mentioned in the first column. The name of the role and the number of positions are mentioned. What is the qualification, the essential qualification for the respected job, and what is a desirable qualification you can find in the next column. The difference between essential and desirable is, like, essential, it's mandatory, you should have this respected degree. After that, if they have many number of application having the same following degree, then they select based on the desirable qualification for the screening. And you can find the stipend, how much stipend they give for the respected job profile, what is the upper age limited, and on which project you will be working on. All details you will find in this PDF. And there are many positions, mainly you can find on the top few positions, especially for the biological background students. So as you can see here, this first position belongs to the biochemistry, biotechnology, zoology, microbiology, all biological sciences students. So biological science students, if you are interested, you can go on this. Life science students, since we are talking about here M.Sc Chemistry, will directly go for the M.Sc Chemistry job openings. So you can see here 011 is the project code, and this job is for the project associate 1. The positions and the post available are 2 for this, and the essential qualification is M.Sc in organic chemistry with NET or GATE qualification. So if you are qualified NET or GATE scored along with your M.Sc organic chemistry degree, you are eligible for this project associate job profile. Along with that, if you have a desirable qualification, like you have experience in synthetic organic or medicinal chemistry lab work, you will be preferred for screening of this job profile. The stipend which they will give you is rupees 31,000 per month, along with the HRA, the house rent tech allowance, and this is the project title on which you will be working on. Similarly, if you go on the project code 012, the positions are available 5 for the project associate profile. Again, M.Sc organic chemistry students, only chemistry, chemical sciences, pharmaceutical chemistry students can apply for this project associate 1 post. The essential qualification we have seen. Now we'll see the desirable qualification. Along with that, if you have experience in synthetic chemistry, or we'll see working in chemistry lab or on any project work, you will be having any experience in the synthesis of medicinal chemistry or organic synthesis, or any project you are working in industry, then you will be preferred on your profile based on this experience. Now you can see the stipend rupees 31,000 they will give, along with the HRA. The qualification we have already seen, and this is the 31,000 is applicable for those who have NET and GATE score along with that. You can notice here in the project associate 1, for the 2 position, the NET and GATE was the essential qualification. Now this project associate 1 position, project code is 012. The NET and CSIR qualification is not essential. So if you are only M.Sc organic chemistry student, you can apply for this post. Along with that desirable qualification, we have seen if you have worked on any project on organic synthesis or medicinal chemistry, you will be preferred for interview. Now you can see two categories here. The 31,000 plus HRA will be preferred and will be given to those who are having additionally CSIR UGC net score or gate score. If you don't have that score with you, the stipend will be 25,000 plus HRA. But you can apply for the post those who don't have this CSIR net or gate score. And the project on which you will be working, the titles are mentioned here. The upper age here is also 35. The next post is for Senior Project Associate. The project code is 013. Again, M.Sc Organic Chemistry or the chemistry with organic as a measure along with the Ph.D. in chemistry is the essential qualification. So M.Sc plus Ph.D. Those who are Ph.D. qualified having holder Ph.D. degree can apply for Senior Project Associate, and your desirable qualification like you should be working on either organic chemistry or medicinal chemistry, experience in having the work in the libraries for biological activities. They mentioned here like these are the desirable qualification: knowledge about the biochemical targets, good communication skills will be preferred, and applicants are required to make a 10 minutes presentation here, not more than 5 slides of their PhD work. So you have to present a PPT also here, which you have to cover in 10 minutes, covering 5 slides of your research work which you have done during your PhD. So here the stipend is obviously high for the Senior Project Associate. It is 42,000 plus 18% HRA per month will be given, which is quite a good amount. Upper age is also high here, 40 years, and you will be working on the project which is mentioned here. So these are some posts for the M.Sc chemistry students, those who can apply if you are interested. The location will be in Lucknow, UP. Now, if we go back on the Google page itself, the CSIR-CDRI link web page, since the application is online, you can find the same advertisement number, and if you go on the link to apply online and click it here, you can see the instructions are given on this page. For online application, you should have valid email ID and the mobile number. So you have to be very careful while writing your email ID and mobile number. A photograph you have to give. So you have to go through with all the details which are mentioned here very carefully. And don't do any mistake, otherwise you will not be able to rectify it later on. The web pages are mentioned through which you can apply. And the important dates are also mentioned here. The starting date of this advertisement was declared on 11th of April. The last date is 18th April 5:30 p.m. and the last submission date is also 18th April 5:30 p.m. Steps for the online application: first is view advertisement detail. Just now we have seen. You can download it and read it very carefully. Then if you are a new user on this website, you can register it. You can click here on register now. The page will open. You have to write down your full name, email ID. Then again you have to confirm the valid email ID. You have to write password and confirm the password, your middle name and last name, and you can submit this registration form. So if we go back, then you can, last step is fill application form and upload the document, reprint application form. So once the application complete now, so you have to again write down your email ID and password and you can log in through this. So you can find all the details regarding it and fill your application form for the CSIR-CDRI job opening located in Lucknow. I hope the information which I have shared with you will be quite useful for you. All the best. Happy learning.